Manufacturing is the future. We need to bring much more manufacturing back to the country, and when you manufacture, you create value, you create jobs.
So we make hydraulic pumps that go in these tractors or skid steers, but we work with all types of equipment from Caterpillar, John Deere, C&H, and we make hydraulic pumps and motors to drive and operate this equipment.
We really just try to open it up with the different areas that students can engage in the high school career centers, for trades that they can build upon for future careers with companies like Michelin or BMW or other industry companies that are in the area.
IT, software, artificial intelligence, drones, virtual reality, augmented reality. This is what you are dealing with manufacturing today. And this is why manufacturing has a very, very great future.
So what I do is I like to watch the robots and I take all the data on them. There's a role for anybody on the robotics team. You don't have to know math. Maybe you like to watch sports. That's what I like to do.
I like to pull from all areas because I believe if a student is engaged to be at the High School Career Center to build a trade, then we are just at the edge of tapping into what they could potentially be interested in the future.
Start out in high school or even middle school to get into a robotics program or a vocational school. That way you learn a trade. Trade is almost like a dying skill today. Not a lot of students are wanting to go into trades, they want to go into colleges, but trades is what manufacturing needs.